What is going on, guys? Thank you for joining me on today's unboxing video. I know, back to the unboxing. I've been thinking about revamping the YouTube channel again and going back to some of my old ways. Doing the unboxing video then follows the install video. I did do it at the beginning of this series, but I sort of went off track a little bit and sort of combined the two videos. Some people like it when I do the unboxing because then they get to see more of the product before it goes on the car. So today, yeah, we're going to unbox this. It's arrived a few days ago, and yeah, I've just come over to my parents' place to pick it up. So I thought I'd do the unboxing video while I'm here, and also I will do the install today. But the install video will follow in the next few days when I've finished editing it. So let's get into today's video. Okay, so let's get into this. So I've already slit the packet. Alright, so there we have it. We have got ourselves a intercooler hose for the ST. This, if you follow me on Facebook, you know I was on about getting one of these because my one looking a bit old, seen better days. It popped off a few weeks ago, and I managed to get it back on, drive home with no boost, which was fun. So yeah, it popped off, so I thought, stuff it, you know what, that's it, going stage 3. All the intercooler pipes are all done then. This is the last piece to get done on the intercooler, because I've already done the cold side a few years back now, and yeah, there's no install video on the cold side because it got done at a garage, and I had that installed before I started doing YouTube, I think it was. So this is the hot side. I got it from Pro Hoses, and I also ticked the box for the clamps as well, because hopefully these clamps are better than my ones, because the ones of mine are rusty and old. I think they're Ford ones. So let's open this up and have a look inside this hot side. This is a hot side hose, if you're wondering. So it's got like a 90-degree sort of bend. This side goes to the intercooler. That side goes onto the other pipe. The charge, is it the charge pipe? Is it, or a hot charge pipe that goes into the turbo? Yeah. So let's open it up and have a good look, shall we? Right guys, so there we have it. We have the hot side pipe for the intercooler for the Focus ST225. This is 2006, all up to the facelift. I think they fit RS models as well. Yeah, it does actually. I remember seeing the advert for it. So yeah, this fits Focus ST Mark IIs and RS's Mark IIs only. If you've got a stage 2 intercooler or bigger, the diameter of this size of the pipe is slightly bigger than the stock intercooler, but it did say on the advert it will fit, but with some sort of, yeah, you just have to get a clamp. But I wouldn't really risk it, to be honest. I would get myself a pipe, or even just upgrade your standard intercooler. But yeah, you can see that the side that goes onto the intercooler is much thicker, and it is on that side. Again, it's been reinforced inside. You can see all the weaving going on in there. You can see many layers of weaving, and also there's a black silicone reinforcement inside the actual hose itself. The hose quality is really nice. It feels nice and solid, better than the standard Ford one. I mean, the standard Ford one, you can do that, and this one's nice and stiff. I mean, it has some flex in it, obviously, because it still needs flex, but the Ford one, you can do that and the whole pipe just squeezes together. Where on here, I'm actually squeezing quite hard. So yeah, it's much thicker, and yeah, it should hold boost and much nicer. So then you've got a nice little Pro hose stamp there. You won't ever see this, to be honest. It will go that way round on the intercooler if I'm looking at it my way. So the intercooler will be here and then go round into the install video will show you. So that's the pipe. I went for it in blue to match my cold side pipe. Obviously, I have loads of blue pipes in my engine bay, so that'll blend in nicely. And like I said, I ticked the box for the Jubilee clips just in case. These should be, they should have sent these Jubilee clips to withstand boost pressure. So these Jubilee clips should withhold boost. So yeah, I'll tick the box for the Jubilee clips that are inside the packet as well. So there we go guys, 2 Jubilee clips, the Hot Side Pro silicone hose for the Focus ST and the Focus RS Mark II in blue. And there we have it, guys. Thank you guys very much for watching. Remember, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe on the bottom corner, and I am on Instagram, Facebook, and I also have the AJ Focus merchandise, the ST and RS Legends merchandise, guys, don't forget that. T-shirts, hoodies, hats, tank tops, and then the AJ Focus keychains, key tags, sorry, and window stickers. And also, guys, there is now ST and RS Legend boot bags, so you can keep, you know, it's like a boot tidy. And if you want to see all this awesome merch, just go on the AJ Focus Facebook page, go into the picture section, and it's all there for your viewing pleasure. That's it, guys. I'm going to leave you here today, and yeah, remember, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you on my install video. So yeah, there we go. That's the Pro silicone hose for the ST. I can't wait to go install it. I like that, it's very nice.